My name is Marcia Lozada, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to change a Word doc to a Google Doc. This is important if you would like to ensure that every student gets their own copy, is able to write in it without the other students seeing it, and then be able to submit it to you separately. So I'm here in my classroom. Before I go ahead and create the assignment, I'm going to go to my Google Docs and show you right here. We're reading the book, The Hiding Place. The assignment is essay questions over chapters 1 through 8. And if you look at the icon here in the corner, it is a Word icon. And over here, this, for example, is the Google Docs one. So just by looking at my Google Docs sheet here, I can see if it's a PDF, it's a video, a YouTube, Word, whatever it is, and I know I want to change this. So I'm going to go ahead and just double click on it. And then when it asks me if I would like to edit it in Google Docs, I'm going to click on that. That isn't enough, however. You actually need to go, if you look up here, you can see that it's still a DOCX, which means it's still in the Microsoft Word format. So you need to go to the File, Save as Google Docs, and now it has the Google Docs icon and there is nothing after it. So you can tell that that is indeed now a Google Doc. So I am going to go back into my classroom, create the assignment. So I'll go up to classwork and create assignment. And I'm going to type in The Hiding Place, chapters 1 through 8, essay questions. Okay, and go ahead and tell them and submit. When complete. I'm sorry if you can hear the hail right outside of my window. It is hailing today and it's quite loud, so I apologize for that. All right, now we are going to go down to the add, go to the Google Drive, and that hiding place shows up as the Google Doc and also as the Word doc. So this way I'm going to select the Google Doc so that show you here, when I come over to this selection, I now have the opportunity to make a copy for each student. And they will be able to type right in there and submit that back to me. I am going to decide to award 30 points for a completed assignment. The due date is going to be next Monday, April 20th. And I'm going to create a new topic. This is for my literature class, and I have not done anything for that class yet. So I'll go ahead and put that there. And now I am going to assign. We'll wait for that to load. All right, now you can see that the Hiding Place chapters 1 through 8 essay questions are there for each student to answer to separately.